Got a Lambo right here. You wanna run it?
I know life be moving too fast.
Left my house once and I forgot my wallet, so I had to go pick that up. And yes, I did torque my wheels down. I just want to let you guys know that. I did not record it because I had to charge the GoPro, like I said. And I want to talk a little bit more about what I'm doing with the channel now. I still do like doing the car, like cinematic stuff. I worked a while in a full-time job shooting, so I just kind of don't really care for it as much anymore. And I'm more interested in doing like what I'm doing now, vlogging stuff, going for drives, shooting shit, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, obviously you see the videos uploaded under Altered Automotive instead of Altered Media, because I did change the channel name, as well as I have a new logo. I changed the Instagram, and I also have a TikTok now, which all of that will be linked below for you guys to see. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that you'll be expecting more stuff like this from me. Every now and then I'll probably still mess around, meet up with someone, shoot something cool, just because that is what I started off doing. So not just gonna throw it all in the garbage, because I still do like it, though not as much as I used to. So yeah, heading out to Woodward right now. I'm going to meet up with a few of my friends. I know a couple people are going to be out there. There might be some surprise visitors as well. I'm going to go and stop and get an energy drink because I'm honestly fucking beat. I don't know why, I'm just so tired. It's probably those hulked lug nuts that I just couldn't get off the car. It took my entire body weight. So, I'm going to go pick that up, go meet up with everybody, and yeah, maybe we'll get some runs in, who knows. Alright, got my Red Bull, and I got my MHD back logged in. I don't know why or how that happened, but got that up. I don't know what's been up with this thing. I just cleared the codes. See what it throws. It's something different every single time, so I just cleared them. I'm gonna drive it and see what comes up this time. So honestly, all that I have done to this thing right now is I'm just MHD stage 2. Stage 2, not 2 plus. And I have VRSF downpipes and intakes. I got the gray ones, honestly. I'll probably get a clip of them for you guys. They look pretty sweet. See, my AFR is just going all over the place. But then, let's see if it's already got a code. Nope. Okay, let's go back over here. It's oscillating so bad. Here, I'm gonna try with cruise control. It was not this bad last time I drove it. I don't know what's going on. Finally made it to Woodward. I'm honestly not sure how many people are gonna be out here because there's so many car events going on, like all around like Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, everything right now. So I'm gonna be surprised if there's really many people out here. I don't know, cars like fine now, but it's not. I'm not too sure. I have some new spark plugs for it, so I'll probably throw those in, see if that helps anything. And then I also probably walnut blasted. I doubt that the intake, whatever dog, I don't know. I doubt it's ever been cleaned, so yeah, that'll definitely be interesting because this thing has 67,000 miles on it now. And when I got the car, all that it had on it was a charge pipe and a Cobb sticker, so if that says anything, I don't know what does. And I could tell with the cats, it was never catless before because all the bolts were just rusted and snapped like instantly. So that kind of gave me a little bit of hope that whoever drove this thing maybe didn't beat on it too bad. I can't even lie, I feel like such a clown with this on my head. Got a Lambo right here. voice turbo. Let's go. Dude, this thing sounds incredible. Let's get next to it. Disgusting. I don't know, what would the cop pick, the Beamer or the Lambo? I want him to just do a little pull. What else we got here? Ferrari. Damn, dude, we got some classics. We got some moderns. Maybe it ain't gonna be too bad tonight. Disgusting. Just pulled up to the Starbs. Got my car right here. We got eggs and tokes. Pro Charge Camaro. 7. Check out these meats. I mean, that ain't nothing but a Fango. We already know. We already know. Got some more Beamers here. I'm free leaving. That Civic or whatever that Honda is, right-hand drive. See, that's what's up. When you see the camera, you know you gotta floor it.
He does charge a lot, but it's 1,000.
We rolling out. Big Tokesy in the Camaro. Ooh, Nismo. Thank you, sir. That thing's clean. Frick it, dude. I'm just gonna do one more lap. I don't know why they stopped back there. I'll just meet them. And there's still a bunch of people out, so I kind of want to fuck around a bit. Turn around here. That's the fastest pull I've done all night. And it was not even fast. I don't get why people... Holy fuck. I don't get why people don't pull over in a parking lot, dog. Like, that's just unsafe for you and the cop. Look at the camera on the front of that thing. That thing's crazy. Motorhound, dog.
I said, oh shit, he has a GoPro.
You want to run it?
I'm probably gonna lose.
What is that, a V8?
Yeah.
Let's go, bro.
That thing's gonna gap the fuck out of you.
Quick little dig, dude.
Alright, do it. Yeah, why not?
Ready? Fucking spun and I short shifted, but I'll take it. That guy did that wasn't even a pull, that was a fucking yank. They think it's fast, but it's just honestly not. That's the fun part. It's like owning a Supra, you don't know. I could be making 750, I could be just making 400.